XLB has underwhelmed this year, but with it being one of the few sectors with a high implied volatility premium, is it something to look at now or continue to have it on the bench while we pursue other quad 2 performers?
No, I think that's a good idea. First of all, it's a long, XLB is, and two, very good observation. If you look at the implied vol data this morning, it's not just that the SPY after the move, you wrote it down. Like XLB is one of the fatter implied vol premiums out there. So I'd prefer to have a fattening implied vol premium than to have a discount. If you go to the bottom there where you see the mega caps, which Bloomberg doesn't write articles about, because remember Bloomberg, CNBC, whatever, fogdog.com, whatever you want to watch or you pay attention to, that's a total waste of your time. Remember when they crowded you into everything like that back in August? Remember August, gold peaked at the same time that the mega caps peaked? Because that's what happens in quad 3. Your investing alternatives kind of go away. You don't have a lot of places to go because you can't buy cyclical growth, you can't buy organic growth, unless the company organically is a mega cap that is a COVID winner, blah, 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 blah. So again, I already told you the story of why those things peaked in unison and why now everybody still owns that. Like, yeah, there's a story this morning by Bloomberg, by Abramovitz. She's actually one of the best tweeters out there, even though she tweets consensus. She loves Gunlack, all that stuff. You know, but she's like, well, big pensions don't believe in inflation. Well, who's that terrible for? The pensioners, right? Like, imagine that. They don't believe. They say, actually, I think she wrote that they say that the market's wrong.
Yeah, it's actually interesting that
the market's wrong. What's wrong is taking, my dad's a pensioner, my mom's a pensioner. Have some respect.
Inflation is squeezing the pensioners, but the pensions themselves aren't helping that hedge that price pressure.
There's one way that you can outrun inflation. Write it down. Own it. Pension funds should have owned inflation. That's it. Can you hear? That's not thunder and lightning. That's mucker. Can you hear that? You guys hear that? Sound effects? Like, protect the pensioners. My mom is a teacher. My dad's a firefighter. I've had it with your bullshit. Don't tell me the market's wrong. You're wrong. It's wrong. The people have to pay the bills in real cost of living terms, and now you're killing them owning things that aren't hedges against inflation or outright asset allocations to inflation. It's an embarrassment. Professional embarrassment.
Okay, got that out of our system. But yeah, it's a great call out.
Pound. I guess that's what they mean by pound the table. Did anyone actually ever on Wall Street really actually pound it?
Probably back in the day.
I just started pounding it and almost ruined the laptop. That was fun.